All right, today we're gonna make something that I've been craving. It's not for everybody, but oysters. I'm gonna make oysters Rockefeller. I'm only gonna make 4 of them because nobody else in my house likes them. So I'm gonna make a small order. Never made this before, so we'll try. Okay, we're gonna throw oysters in here. Alright, that's covered enough. I'm going to start the fire. Add some black peppercorns. A little bit, a couple cloves of garlic. Just going to smash them just to get some flavor out. Just put a little bit of our rosemary salt in there. A couple little dashes. Okay, this is boiling. Perfect. And take these out, put them on a rack. Smells good. Alright, so we have our oysters. They're cooling right now. I've never made this before, so this will be a first for all of us. Now these are the rest of our ingredients. We have some fresh spinach. I only have a red onion, so we're using a red onion. I like a little heat, so I'm going to put a little jalapeno in it. We got 3 different types of cheeses, some mozzarella, some shaved Parmesan, and I have a Colby Monterey blend. And then we have butter. And just like. Alright, I'm going to cut the onions. Make me cry. 3 tablespoons of butter. I think that's good. 3 tablespoons. Alright. We'll throw our butter in here. Our onion and our garlic. We're going to let that cook a little bit from the jalapenos too. A little heat from our oyster meat. And throwing the spinach in. It looks like a lot, but it'll wilt down. It smells amazing. We add a little bit of red chili flakes. Not a lot. A little Old Bay. Alright, we're going to slowly add the cheese. Let it melt down. We'll have a beautiful... There we go. Couple splashes. 1, 2. That's enough. Just a couple splashes of cream. Then mix it in. Then I have some pork rinds still. Maybe a couple tablespoons. 2 to 3 tablespoons. I do have an oyster shucker because one time I was using a butter knife and I cut my finger really bad. So never doing that again. So this one's pretty hard to get into. I'm going to turn it around where I can get in the front. And there should be a little opening somewhere, or at least put it in. Try not to crack your shell. And then you can work your knife down and just keep on turning it. So once you get in there, turn it. I'm turning the knife too. Ooh, tough one. We're going to wash these oysters out. Make sure we get all the shell off. Make sure there's no shell left. Put it back in. We're good. Alright, so we have our oysters all shucked. And then now we have our sauce. And that's what we're going to do. Put the right on top. Oh, yes, that looks so good. Don't be shy. All right, so we have that. That looks pretty good. Throw this in here. We're gonna put for 400 for around 5 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and check on it. I put them for 5 minutes and they look great. I'm going to sprinkle some pork rinds and some granulated garlic on it, and then finish it out for another 3 minutes. So I sprinkled some of the pork rinds on there. Now I have some granulated garlic. I'm just gonna put a little spritz, just a little bit. Okay, these look pretty good. Not gonna lie, I'm really excited. This is one of my favorite things to get when I go to Big Al's in Las Vegas, when I go to the Orleans. I love Oysters, Rockefeller. I forgot one thing. I need to put one piece of crisp bacon. All right, so I put some crisp bacon right on top. Just finish it off. I think bacon makes everything better. And then we're gonna add some Tabasco and bon appetit. Oh my God, that looks amazing. All right, put a little Tabasco on it, and we're gonna dive in. Hopefully it doesn't burn my mouth off, but it's been sitting for a little bit, so. Oh man, this looks good. Wow. I haven't even get any of the oyster yet, but that is really good. Wow. I might be in trouble because I might be eating these all the time. That was so good. So I'm pretty impressed with the quality that it came out like, with cooking the oysters first in the beer. I think that made a big difference. Don't forget the bacon. Man, the bacon's really good. While making this, that shucker was invaluable because even though they were boiled, it's hard to get into these oysters. But that made it a lot easier. Make this dish. You're gonna love it if you like Oysters Rockefeller. I guarantee it.